Welcome to this video on jet engine, guys. In this video we will learn how to make this exploded view of jet engine in SolidWorks software. We will learn how to separate these parts out, how to explode and how to collapse these parts, as you can see in this tutorial. So let's begin. So I have already created this jet engine in SolidWorks. I have created the tutorials on it. I will provide the link in description if you want to make it. So let's begin with the exploded view. Click on the exploded view and we have to make sure that we have selected this part. In this window, I am selecting this part of the jet engine and drag this part here. This is the propeller, and here we have to specify the distance. So I'm specifying 1000 millimeters and we have to click on done. So we are done with the first step. Now in second step, I'm selecting the shape part and moving it in y direction and giving the distance 500 millimeter. Okay, so we are done with the second step, and by chance if you have selected this check button, then you can come back to configuration, drop down this menu, right click here, and in edit feature you are back again. So you do not need to make the same exploded view again, by chance if you select enter button or check mark. Now as third step, I'm moving this shaft for the jet engine away, and here we need to specify some distance. So I'm specifying as 900 millimeter and click on done button. Okay, so as the fourth step, I'm selecting the same shaft and I'm moving it upward in the y direction, and I'm giving the distance as 500 millimeter. Okay, and then click on done button. And now we have to select this housing and drag this in X direction, and here we have to specify some distance. I'm specifying as 200 millimeter and then click on done button again. Now as you can see, these parts are too much close, so we have this first step. So just click on the first step, and here we have to increase this distance like this. So we can modify these distances as well, as you can see in this video, and just simply click on done, and this is updated. And since we are done with all of the steps, so you can check this box. Now right click here and click on collapse. Now right click here, click on explode. So that's how you can collapse and explode it. And if you want to animate it, you have to click on animate. So this is exploding right now, and you can do the same step for the collapse and it can collapse like this. So that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for watching.